Give it a couple more seconds just in case. Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's House. Today I'm working on the Life in Bloom scrapbooking workshop, and this one has an optional technique of coloring your pearls with Stampin' Blends. And I'll just say I love that technique. So I'm using the dark Blackberry Bliss, and I'm taking my antique pearls, and this, I don't even know if I can do this. Well, I'm going to do a separate video about it, but I just want to do it real quick. You just take your marker. I like the brush tip because I always like the brush tip. And you just color your pearls just like that. I try to get a little on the side as well, so make sure you color your carrier sheet a little bit. And when you're done doing that, the pearls look so stinking pretty. I can't wait to put them on my layout. But anyway, since that's the optional technique, it is not actually on my pages yet. Your guide here has a cutting guide if you don't get one of my pre-cut workshops. It also has an assembly guide in case you're assembling not at my workshop, or you just like to have the pictures and the help while you're going. So we use die cut shapes and stickers, and you can see, well, we used all the die cut shapes. We got a lot of stickers left, so you could always add more to your layouts or make another layout with your leftover paper. So that always works as well. All right, so this is layout number 1. So this one is this an exclusive? Nope, it's not an exclusive paper. This one, you put things on, you're actually putting things on top of this yellow paper here. So there's a strip on top of here and a strip on top of here. And then this is, you're just putting it on the green base. We've got some cardstock pieces cut out to build upon. And some of the things are tucked beneath and some of them are put over the top. And we've got, so this photo, I put space in here so you could fit your photo in there because it kind of cuts it off a little bit. You could also, if it's an important photo, just move your photo up a little bit. And that would work too. So I added some fun dimensionals underneath these. I assume these are lily-ish, but I don't think lilies look like this. So I kind of like them bluebells or something. Just to make them pop and stick up a little bit. And so that's super cute. Okay, that is layout number 1. Layout number 2. So we're putting this, I forget what this is called, the lattice stuff on here, which is super cute. So this one is actually underneath your photo, but this one I have butted against your photo mounts so that you can see more of it. So this one is the cardstock page with some layering. Now this page would have been a great idea to do these side by side so that they match up. Now I know when they're going the book, if they're a little off, it doesn't really matter. But if it's important to you, make sure you do these two side by side because the line matters. And then we've got some stickers and some die cut elements here, and I've left them not stuck. Everything's kind of floating on the top of that. So, you do what you can to make it work for you. And again, I added some 3D foam underneath of those little bluebells. So pretty. I love the added little touches of purple on here. And the third page, this one I did do side by side, so you can see my lines all match up nicely. So this one is a decorated page, and we just put everything on top of the page. And this one is an exclusive page. Just some cloud texture paper. So, I mean, if you wanted to save this 2.5 or so inches, you could mount this on white and save that little bit. My mom loves cloudish paper, so she would be very tempted. But it's up to you. And everything else is just kind of put down on there and stacked up and ready for, so these are in place of your photos. And again, I put some little bells on here with some foam squares because they're so cute when they're just floating in the air. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.